The other day, Mr. Silk Boss went viral with a gospel song. The youth then one place I sing a gospel song and the whole internet I lift up the youth and I say, yo, the youth are talented, you know. We are feel the vibes and the energy where the youth are put in right here. So even I self did I feel the vibes and the energy too. And I put up the youth high up there and I say, you know, say the youth are tough. The youth are talented in a real life, you know. But guess what now? As the Silk Boss come out with a song where I sing something and that brown man and hair gun, man, gunshot and whole heap of something. And the people then really roll with it. And many people say, yo, Silk Boss, we're not depend that right and now, in a time like now. When certain things go down in a way. Country. But I man wonder if Silk Boss pay close attention to what life I show him. Because life have a way of teach us things in its own ways. By, for example, ordaining Silk Boss to sing a gospel song that lift up the people and the people praise him for that. And now him come and he must sing a song that the people depict as violent or something like that. And I said, no, Silk. And that's a thing there. So, where I said now, if Silk Boss pay close attention, him shall learn the difference between the two vibration and energy that him issue out in the last weeks. Knowing that you sing a gospel song and the people lift you up, and you lift up the people's spirit. And now you come and sing that song and the people must say, no, sir, that they work with. Well, the learning where you have to learn, if I were you, is that, okay? So this me fi stick to. Not that you fi stick to singing gospel, that is not what I'm saying. But you see the positive vibration there and the positive energy there